Hello everyone, it's Rick Williams from Recommendations. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we are going to make a cheese charcuterie and fruit board, a big enough one to serve a crowd, and we're going to include a lot of local ingredients, but also things that come from other countries. That's the really important thing when you're doing something like this. Find what is from your own backyard or that's really seasonal and fresh. Today we have blueberries, we have raspberries, grapes from a neighbor's yard, 3 different cheeses, one from England, one from France, and one from Colorado. And then a variety of crackers, some herbs and things like that to make a really complex arrangement of flavors that's going to go really well. And it's a great way to spend an afternoon. So let's put this thing together. So there you have it, folks, a beautiful cheese charcuterie, fruit, nut, cracker, etc. board. Actually 2, because we've got a pretty good crowd to feed today. This is a wonderful thing to have in the middle of the day, on a hot day in the spring, summer, actually anytime. It's a great way to give people a great variety of sweet, salty, crisp, soft textures, a wonderful way to spend the afternoon with friends, and I highly recommend it with a glass of Provençal Rosé. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you will like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Recommendations, and cheers!